Hi friends, welcome back to my other Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create text behind the subject in Photoshop. Before begin, don't forget to subscribe my channel below. And hit bell icon to never miss the update. Let's get started. First of all, double click and select this image. And hit open. Cool. Now take a text tool. And type the words like this. Hit Ctrl T for transform. Now increase the text by holding Shift and Alt buttons. Also place it to center and press enter. Perfect. Hide the top layer by hit on eye icon. Select the bottom layer. Then take a quick selection tool and select the subject like this. Unhide the top layer and choose Add a Mask option below. Now hit Ctrl I to inverse the mask part like this. Cool. Go to Blend Modes and choose Overlay. Perfect. Now the time to see the final result. Thank you and need your support.